Let's take a first look at Apple's Vision Pro mixed reality headset. Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and I just escaped Apple Park where I got a first look at Apple's new Vision Pro mixed reality headset. Apple has been working on this for many years, and you soon will be able to try it for yourself when it gets released in early 2024. The Vision Pro, priced at $3,500 for this first generation unit, is a gorgeous design. It has a curved glass front that is laminated and polished to an optical finish. It's also a display that can let users know what you're doing inside of the headset, whether you can see them or not see them at any point in time. The body of the headset is made out of a custom aluminum alloy for a lightweight feel, but still that premium industrial design. You can use it the entire day when you have it plugged into the wall or power, or you can run it for up to 2 hours with the included battery pack that connects via this gorgeous braided cable, and the battery pack itself is also aluminum with a silver Apple logo pressed into it and a USB-C port for charging. Vision Pro can easily be controlled with your eyes. As you move around the interface by looking, it'll select different things and you can choose them by just tapping your fingers together. You can also control things just by using your voice, just asking Siri to do things, whether you're typing a search field or opening applications. For physical controls, Apple is borrowing a UX element that it's used before, and that's the digital crown. We saw the digital crown on the Apple Watch and on the AirPods Max, and now it's made its way to the Vision Pro. It's located on the top right hand side. You can go ahead and click on it to go back to the home screen and choose another app to open. Vision Pro has integrated speakers on either side that are able to provide spatial audio. Vision Pro is very customizable as well. Apple has different sizes of light shields that will fit up against your face, and there's different versions of the headband that can connect to the back. The headband is made from a single woven piece and looks very nice in person. It connects magnetically on either side of the headset, and you can just remove it if you need to, and there's likely going to be third-party straps that you can use as well if you don't prefer Apple's approach. To further fine-tune the fit, there's an adjustment knob on the back right-hand side that you're able to twist to really dial in the exact amount of tension and pressure that you want on the back of your head. So what kind of apps will be available on Vision Pro? On day one, Apple will have its own array of apps that is optimized for this mixed reality experience, things like the iWork suite, FaceTime, or Messages. Third-party apps will also be able to create their own applications for the Vision Pro. Notably, Disney will have a version of Disney Plus available for Vision Pro that will have this really cool interface where you can interact with things like sports and The Mandalorian and all of your other favorite shows. But third-party developers outside of the big ones announced today are already going to be working on their own applications to bring them to Vision Pro. But if we're not waiting on them, Apple will allow iOS applications to run natively on Vision Pro just from the App Store. This will bring a wealth of applications that you can simply view and interact with right on Vision Pro. Hey, sorry to pop into you like that, but I'm going to give you a quick tip on how you can save up to $1,200 in combined savings, because Apple authorized reseller Adorama is giving exclusive discounts to the Apple Insider audience. Let's take a look at how to do it. All you need to do is find the Adorama deal that you want in the Apple Insider price guide, links in the description, copy the AppInsider code, and click on the Activate Deal button to route to the product on Adorama.com. Don't forget to add AppleCare if you're interested. The extended protection plan is discounted for many Apple products with the same AppInsider coupon code. Step 3, during Step 3 of the checkout, click the link that says, "Do you have a gift card or promo code?" And hint, look for the gift icon. Step 4, enter the AppInsider code and look for your order total to reflect a special coupon discount. Prices in the price guide reflect any instant rebates stacked with a coupon code. That's it. So easy to do. There are hundreds of Macs that are discounted, and there's even some iPads, Apple Watches, and monitors too. Now, let's get back to our other video. Other great features for Vision Pro includes the ability to extend your Mac's desktop. Simply look at your Mac and displays will appear above you. You can interact with your Mac in this mixed reality space rather than on your laptop's display. There are outward-facing cameras that can be used to capture 3D photos and videos that you can later watch back inside of Vision Pro that you simply cannot view on a 2D display. And FaceTime is going to be a very immersive experience. You'll be able to see large, full-size people when you are talking to them over FaceTime. You can use SharePlay to give a presentation at the same time, and your own face will be recognized as a 3D avatar that's created by scanning your face with the front-facing cameras of the Reality Pro upon the first time setup. So what do you think? Are you going to be picking up a Vision Pro for yourself when this hits the market in early 2024? Again, priced at $3,500. Let me know down below in the comments or on Twitter if you're going to opt for this first gen model or if you're going to wait for a second generation unit. Let me know, and otherwise I'll catch you in the next video.